What shall we do? Huh? D and F block. There is nothing much to study in that. Volume strength of H2O2 on public demand. सिलेबस में है. What do you mean by 22.4 volume H2O2 solution? What is mysterious about a solution? इसमें कितना H2O2 है? हमको इतना तक नहीं पता इसमें H2O2 है कि नहीं. We don't know whether solvent is present or not. And how much is present is more mysterious. 1 liter solution produces 22.4 liter H2O2 on heating. This is the meaning of that. It is an illiterate language. As I told you, instead of making the illiterate literate, we are asking us literates to become illiterates. Like in a driving test, they will show you some symbols and ask you, what does it mean? What is this? Railway gate. It would have been easier had they written railway gate below. They say illiterates can't read that. So instead of making them literate, we are asked to use the illiterate language. Now, H2O2 is less stable. 2 H2O2 on heating gives 2 H2O plus O2. So, 2 mole H2O2 gives 1 mole oxygen, that is 22.4 liter at STP. So, to get 1 mole oxygen, you need to have 2 mole in 1 liter. If only you have 2 moles in 1 liter, you get the desired 22.4 liters from 1 liter. 1 liter. 1 से 22.4. How can 1 liter give 22.4 liters? This is solution, that is gas. So, 22.4 volume means 68 gram. 2 mole per liter, and normality is 4. Why? It's an oxidizing agent that takes 2 electrons, a reducing agent that gives 2 electrons. This is what you should know about H2O2. Produces 2 protons, 2 electrons and O2. When H2O2 acts as a reducing agent, that is one who gives electrons, it also produces protons. Therefore, in acidic medium, this reaction will be backwarded. Therefore, H2O2 acts as a better reducing agent in basic medium. Question given in 2015-16. And H2O2 will also take 1 oxygen, 2 protons and 2 electrons to give H2O and the other one H2O assembled. कहाँ से assemble किया? यहाँ का ऑक्सीजन, यहाँ का प्रोटॉन, यहाँ का इलेक्ट्रॉन, तीनों मिला के H2O बना. So H2O2 का N factor in every respect is 2. As an acid it gives 2 protons, as a reducing agent it gives 2 electrons, and as an oxidizing agent it takes 2 electrons. 2, 2, 2. Therefore, normality is equal to molarity into N factor 4. 68 grams per liter. 2 molar means 2 moles per liter, and that is 6.8% weight by volume. Have you understood? आया समझ में ना? क्या हाल बना रखा है. Now, you hear the term volume too many times. Volume strength, it is a concentration. Volume of H2O2 solution, volume of oxygen in liters at STP, molarity, normality, percentage weight by volume. I will give you 2 of them, you have to find 4 of them. 20 volume. What do you mean by 20 volume? 1 liter gives 20 liters. So, 10 liters of H2O2 solution. 1 liter gives 20 liters of oxygen at STP. Volume of oxygen at STP. Not necessarily in liters. Sometimes I may even give you milliliters. So, 1 liter gives 20 liters, 10 liters give 200 liter. And what will be the molarity? 22.4 is 2 molar. Therefore, this is 20 by 22.4 into 2. 20 by 11.2. Normality 20 into 20 by 22.4 into 4. Percentage, since you have difficult 40 by 11.2 into 34 by 10 perhaps. That's for 1 liter. 20 by 22.4 moles, that is 34 in 1 liter, but we want for 100, so by 10. So better not give invariables like that. 11.2 liter produces 44.4 liter oxygen at STP. Yes. How many liters are required? 1 liter gives 11.2 liters. To get 44.4, 44.8, you require 2 liter. 11.2 liter means 22.4 liter means 2 molar. 11.2 means 1 molar. 2 normal. And 3.4% weight by volume. How? 11.2 means you can directly use that relation. हाँ 1 लीटर से कितना आता है 11.2 आता है therefore 4 liters sorry 1 liter gives 11.2 therefore it must be 4 liters. So another industrial term, percentage labeling of oleum. I will tell you, without defining, no one can ask any question. Every industry has its own language. Like cement, the quality of cement is measured 53 grade बोलते क्या है मालूम? Maybe 53 grams of gypsum per kg. It's the amount of gypsum, the important constituent of cement. One not 9%. Okay. What is oleum? No. H2S2O7 is pyrosulfuric acid, my dear friends.
H2SO4 plus H2SO.
SO3. Oleum is fuming sulfuric acid. Fumes of SO3. It's a mixture. One of my friends showed me JEE and told me SO3 is not a gas, it is a solid. He was showing me gamma SO3, the trimer of SO3. Trimer हो या polymer दिखा के, I also believed for a while. Now, 109% oleum means 100 gram oleum can add to 9 more gram water. That is, it has enough SO3 that can react with 9 gram water. So SO3 plus H2O. So buy 100 grams, get 109 grams. By adding, it's like a concentrate, a soft drink concentrate like Rasna. We buy only 100 grams, but we make 1 liter out of that, 100 ml, by adding 900 ml water. Now, SO3 plus H2O, H2SO4. 80 gram adds to 18 grams and you get 98 gram H2SO4. So, since it's only 9 grams, 100 gram contains 40 gram SO3. Therefore, it is 60% H2SO4 and 40% SO3. That is percentage labeling. Soap industry uses the term saponification, oil industry in fact, saponification number. What is that? The amount of soap you can make out of maybe 100 gram or 1 kg oil. Glycerine value, there are so many industrial terms. I don't think this will be asked. बहुत पहले 98 से पहले when there was no syllabus, सिर्फ ये बताते थे ऑर्गेनिक, इनऑर्गेनिक, फिजिकल. कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स. कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स में क्या है? हद नहीं. Even polynuclear compounds were also tested. Don't answer the questions of 97. Dangerous paper. Measurement of hardness of water. Do you remember the application of electrochemical series? What are the 4 applications? Less SRP, better reducing agent. And less SRP is always used as anode in galvanic cells. The one with less SRP is discharged later during electrolysis. बाद में खाएगा. And the one with less SRP cannot be used as a vessel for the later solution. Now, hardness is caused because of bicarbonates, yes, sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Calcium bicarbonate 162 and corresponding magnesium bicarbonate 16 less than that, 146. Calcium sulfate 136, 120, 111, 95. All these are equal to 100 gram calcium carbonate. Why do you convert everybody to calcium carbonate? Because hardness may not be because of any one of them. 3 or 4 of them also may be present in water. So you cannot you cannot mention hardness with respect to bicarbonate, with respect to sulfate. So collectively they are met. इसीलिए they are causing hardness. अगर वो soluble नहीं होता, मैंने क्या बोला? Who cause hardness? Naturally occurring soluble substances that precipitate stearate ions cause hardness. Calcium oxalate, why doesn't it cause hardness? It's not naturally present. Calcium carbonate doesn't cause hardness. Why? It's not soluble. It doesn't produce calcium ions. Potassium chloride doesn't cause hardness because potassium doesn't precipitate stearate ions, the soap. Naturally occurring soluble substances that precipitate stearate ions. Maths tough था, maths में ज़्यादा आया, physics easy था, physics में कम आया. Now, और JNV में 273. 1000 kg. What do you mean by 1 ppm? 1 part per million part. It has no meaning. ppm. Because which parts? So 100 tube lights per million tube lights, 100 ppm. 100 ppm tube lights. 100 parts per million tube lights. ppm by mass, ppm by weight. Million grams में 1 gram. 1 gram in million grams is called 1 ppm by weight, by grams rather. Now, 1000 kg water, 1000 kg, 10 power 6 gram, million gram water. If 1000 kg water contains X gram calcium carbonate equivalents, hardness is said to be X ppm. It's not gram equivalents of calcium carbonate. It's not gram equivalents, don't read that wrongly. It's not gram equivalents, it is X gram calcium carbonate equivalents. मतलब X gram calcium carbonate की बराबर का. Anything. Next, 1 kg. If 1 kg water, the same thing, contains X milligram, Y milligrams. Milligrams. This is 10 power 3, this is 10 power minus 3. The ratio is once again 10 power 6. Y milligram calcium carbonate equivalents. The hardness is said to be Y ppm. Make a note, please. Idiot. एक और फोन. Once again, tabular form. Mass of water, units vary. Mass of salt, mass of calcium carbonate equivalents, and hardness in ppm. What is ppb?
Per billion.
Parts per billion parts. 10 power 9. So, first change the language. To calcium carbonate and apply the relation. $500 kg. Why have I given two different things, kilograms and milligrams? Because whichever you are closer, when 500 kg is given, it is closer to 1000 kg. You can double and get your answer. But if 250 grams are given, 4 times 1 kg, milligrams. Now, here you have 136 gram calcium carbonate, calcium sulfate. 500 kg, 136 means 100. When it is converted to calcium carbonate, 100 gram. 136 is equivalent to 100 grams of calcium carbonate. Now, so 500 kg contains 100, 1 kg contains, 1000 kg contains 200, and that is ppm. 250 gram contains 11.1 milligram calcium chloride. 111 is equal to 100. 11.1 is equal to 10 milligrams. This 10 milligrams is present in 250 grams. So 1000 grams, that is 1 kg. 1 kg contains 40 मिलीग्राम 40 ppm. समझ में रहे ना? लाइक दैट क्वेश्चन भी तुम्हारा, आंसर भी तुम्हारा होना चाहिए. 100 kg, hardness 400. These two are given. How much magnesium sulfate? Sulfate.
480.
How? Let's see. 100 kg contains 400 gram. 1000 kg contains 4000 grams. So this is 4000. And 4000 of these is equivalent to 124,800 grams. 480, 48, all are gone. Once again, 100 kg contains 4,800. Am I right? कुछ गड़बड़ है? 480 आएगा. 1000 kg contains 400 grams. Therefore, 100 kg contains 40 grams. 48 is right. I am wrong. The data is rounded up. Otherwise, after the question is over, you do not know what is given, what is that you have found. Okay, what next? Coordination, 6 points. Don't worry about optical isomerism of complexes, na? Don't trouble yourself. अगर दे भी देंगे एक आध क्वेश्चन छोड़ना है ना. अगर क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट लगा छोड़ दो. मोस्टली द एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी ओनली आर आस्क्ड डेफिनेटली, and refer to the exemplar also if necessary. Don't mug up that list. M A B C D, M A B B C C, M A C B C D C, A C D C. Metallurgy will look in the afternoon. We have 25 minutes before the lunch break. Na? Ask me a small topic. Surface also in the afternoon, surface and metallurgy. Did I give my method of heats of combustion वगैरह? नहीं दिया? Heats of combustion वगैरह पता करने के लिए. Simple tarika which will definitely be given. Color na? Okay. Okay. Copper, tetramine copper 2, deep blue. COHG SCN 4 times, blue, BiI4 minus, right, orange, chromates, yellow, dichromates, orange. I think silver and mercury chromates are red. Barium flame color, apple green. One or two flame colors you better remember. Just one or two. We should not be totally ignorant. Sodium flame color, gold and yellow. That's all. Only these two I know. Gold and yellow. FeCNS 6 times 3 minus. Blood red. Blood red. Hardly have 20, including organic. Organic 3 or 4 only. Iodoform yellow. Phenol gives neutral. Violet color with neutral FeCl3. Next, Na4, Fe, CN5NO, sodium nitroprusside is violet. NOS, sorry. NOS. Correct this NOS. Where is that chatterbox boy? Got selected? दोस्तों वहाँ बैठ के बात करता था ज़्यादा. क्या नाम है इसका? Violet. Fe4, FeCN6, Prussian blue. Prussian blue is a color, in fact. Precipitate. आधा सॉल्यूशन रहेगा, आधा प्रेसिपिटेट रहेगा. भाई थोड़ा बहुत डिजॉल्व होता है ना, एक्सेस प्रेसिपिटेट होता है. व्हाई डू यू वरी टू मच अबाउट दैट? नाउ सॉल्यूशन हाईली सॉल्युबल. नेक्स्ट, AgBr, pale yellow, AgI yellow, CuCO3 CuOH twice, green. It's called malachite green. It's called malachite, and malachite green means the green color of that. Have you ever seen that? You have. Copper vessels, you will see some blisters on them, green color. If they are not washed, kept for some time, they absorb oxygen, water, and of course carbon dioxide. Green. And iodoform, yellow. Phenol plus FeCl3, violet. KMnO4, violet or pink? Violet है ना? Violet. Purple. K2Cr2O7 already written. Very important. H4TiO4. What is this? Pertitanic acid. H2O2 reacts with titanium sulfate. Test for H2O2.
Orange coloration.
No, yellow.
Orange or yellow?
Yellow. H4TiO4. Pertitanic acid. I think, and that is a test for H2O2. Another test,
So the lead acid was
lead sulfide is turned black.
lead sulfates.
Removes. Lead sulfide is turned white. Lead sulfide is black. Oil paintings contain that.
So which K2Cr2O7 blue color?
Due to the formation of CrO5 in ether layer. That's all about colors. Some important colors. Organic, do we have any more colors? Azo, coupling reaction. Beta quinol, very important, dye test. Beta quinol reacts with benzene diazonium chloride to give orange. So don't see too much into qualitative analysis. हर एक का एक टेस्ट याद रखना ही मुश्किल है, 115 याद मत रखना. There are experts who teach qualitative analysis only eternally. $30. Yesterday, people of JNU were telling me 48 hours, 2 days per week, 6 hours per day. जबकि मुझे 48, कल मैंने exactly 48 minutes में पढ़ा के. Yes, what else?
Other reaction. Zinc जब नाइट्रो के साथ रिएक्ट करता है.
Zinc.
जब नाइट्रो के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, तो डिफरेंट मीडियम से रिएक्शन करेगा.
Concentrate में NO2, dilute में N2O. That's the only exception we have in NCERT. While all others, NO. बीटा क्विनोल बेंजीन डायजोनियम क्लोराइड के साथ डाई टेस्ट. Tests of organic are very important, and depending on the results of tests, you can solve at least 1 or 2 questions. Beta quinol, benzene diazonium chloride. Why is N2 plus here? Y is N2 plus? Huh? Nitrogen? There will be a triple bond and becomes linear. Where will this attack? Ortho to both OH and this carbon. ये वाला कार्बन का भी ऑर्थो है ना? So you will get N double bond N. What is this called? Methylene yellow or what? You are saying it is orange color. And this is done in which medium? Why? Alkaline medium, because you get quinoxide, O minus, phenoxide, and that is more reactive, to make it more reactive. Yes. O माइनस किधर भी नहीं जाएगा भाई, आएगा ना? कहा? इधर? इसमें तो आएगा, लेकिन ओनली दिस इज ऑर्थो टू OH ना? ऑर्थो टू OH होना जरूरी है। आएगा, लेकिन OH का ऑर्थो पोजीशन में ही कपलिंग होता है। फिनॉल में तो पैरा, क्योंकि ऑर्थो में स्टीरिक इंडेक्स होता है ना। हाँ, OH नहीं देता, लेकिन जो इनकमिंग ग्रुप बड़ा है ना। नेक्स्ट प्लीज हैव आइडियाज। Evening schedule is packed. We have 2 topics to look at. Okay, switch off. Let's go for an early lunch.